Etsy offsite ads take up to 15% of every sale they bring you, and some sellers might want to turn them off. Offsite ads is Etsy's program that promotes your listings on Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if a buyer clicks on your listing through one of those ads and buys within 30 days, Etsy will charge you anywhere from 12 to 15% depending if your shop has made over $10,000 in the last year. So let me show you how to turn them off. From your Etsy homepage, you have to scroll to the top and click on Shop Manager. Then on the left, you have to click on Settings and you're gonna see Offsite Ads appear. Then you click on it. From there, you're gonna see two options appear. One is to check your Offsite Ads stats, and when you click on it, you're gonna show you how many times your ad has been clicked and how many orders have been placed. And when you go back, you're gonna see the option Opt Out of Offsite Ads. When you click on it, you're gonna see this window appear, and after you've read all of that, you can decide to keep advertising offsite or completely disable them. Just to show you, I'm gonna click to disable them, and yeah, that's done. But in my case, I highly recommend keeping them on just because that's extra traffic and you're only getting charged if someone buys from those offsite ads. So yeah, it's a plus for me, so I'm gonna turn them back on. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.